Back with us here on Power Breakfast, across to our research team now who is joining in to set you up for today's trading session, an all-important one. Firstly, Vivek joins in to get all the market cues that you need to watch out for today. Vivek, good morning. The start of earnings season, weekly expiry, plenty of triggers, but what are you watching out for this morning?
Well, that's right, Harmal. So, officially you could say that the earnings season kicks off today. TCS post-market hours will declare its results and all eyes will be on that. Remember, it will give significant cues as far as the entire IT pack is concerned. Just quickly wrap up what overnight transpired. Number one, you did see US markets end on a significant high. Actually seeing Nvidia go ahead and hit the $4 trillion market cap as well. Crude oil prices largely stable, and again, this is something that we've been watching out for quite closely. Brent hovering around the $70 a barrel mark. Now, coming to the Indian markets, remember, Indian markets last few trading sessions has clearly been a very stock-specific market, with the Nifty actually not going anywhere. Yesterday, too, a largely flattish trade-bound session as far as the benchmarks were concerned. IT stocks ended lower ahead of TCS results today, and the Nifty IT index was one of the top drags. NBFCs as well as FMCG were the stocks, or were the sector that managed to go ahead and aid the performance as far as the overall markets were concerned. Individual stocks in focus, well, GAIL ended lower. There appears to be some delay as far as the tariff hike implementation is concerned. IEX was in focus. Some further commentary as far as market coupling was concerned, and that was another stock that did very well in the session today. Asian markets, GIFT Nifty, all indicating a slightly positive start for our markets today.
Indeed, keep an eye out on that. And just as we said that, the implied open from a 12 to 15 point uptick has now turned into a 12 to 15 point downtick. So promises to be yet another choppy day. Lots of stocks that you'll have to watch out for today. Ria is here to highlight all of these. Good morning, Ria.
Good morning, Thomas. Let's take a look at the stocks that are likely to be in focus today. The first one is AkzoNobel. Now, Asian Paints has sold about 4.42% equity in the company for rupees 734 crores. So keep your eye out on the stock today. The next one is Enviro Infra. The JV has received an order worth about rupees 395 crores from Maharashtra Industrial Development Corporation. The next one is Ambuja Cement. The subsidiary ACC Cement has commissioned a grinding unit project at the plant in Jharkhand for 1.5 MTPA. And remember, the total installed cement capacity for the company is about 104 MTPA. Also keep your eye out on Emcure Pharma. Now, the US FDA has concluded an inspection at one of the manufacturing facilities of the company, but this time without the issuance of Form 483. For Muthoot Capital Services, they have approved the issuance of about 12,500 NCDs up to rupees 125 crores. Indo Solar Limited will also be on the radar today. The promoter Vari Energies is likely to sell about 2.4% stake on July 10th and 11th. And lastly, for Embassy REIT, sources say that APAC company is likely to sell about 1.9% equity of the company via block deals, and the deal size for this one is likely to be rupees 681 crores.
Ria, thanks a lot for that entire list. And Sudarshan lastly joins in with cues from the FNO space. Sudarshan, good morning. It's almost been a snooze mode market over the last 1 week.
It's like a status quo type. You can call it a muted range-bound trade, consolidation phase. But in simple terms, nothing has been happening in the market for the last few days. If you take a look at the highs and lows of day before yesterday and yesterday, it's almost the same. Just last hard cut yesterday that we saw mainly because of the sharp fall that we saw in Reliance, and at the end all the major indices closed in the red. Even for today also, GIFT Nifty is indicating a muted start. Even the flows front, things are looking very muted. FIs have bought almost rupees 80 crore. Even DIs have bought more than rupees 900 crore. In the index futures too, FI's sell figure was around rupees 1,000 crore. They have added long position of 640 contracts, but in front of that they have added short positions, and their addition is 4,550 contracts. Now, FI's long exposure has reduced to around 27.7%. On the option front also, 25,500 call has seen maximum addition, and their addition is 75 lakh shares. Even on the put side also, 25,500 put has seen addition of nearly 9 lakh shares. And another put that was active was 25,350. One stock that remains in the band is RBL, and new entrant is Hind Copper. As far as support and resistance for Nifty is concerned, it remains the same. Support 25,300 and resistance around 25,700.
Indeed, keep an eye out on Hindustan Copper today, particularly so because Donald Trump has made this official announcement that the copper tariffs, that 50% tariff, will be effective from the 1st of August.